Oh my. Here we are up at Kooser State Park on April 23rd. Hard to believe that we were up here hiking yesterday in 50-some degree weather. Look at those trees. Holy heck. Beautiful. Of course, it's just me and you know who. Wild man doggy. Not another living soul. Oh my gosh, it's so exciting! This is exciting! Wow. Still snowing really hard. It's 31 degrees here right now. And I can tell you that we will be back tomorrow. Looking over at the cabin area. That's one of our favorite cabins to stay in. Number 21. Come on, Brutus! Come on! It is a winter wonderland. Oh my goodness. Alright, we are headed down the trail.